Hello, 21 Acres volunteers. We miss you so much. We are so happy to have you back on campus. I can't tell you how excited we are. We just want to make sure that we provide a really safe experience for you. So we're going to be cleaning everything and sanitizing everything as we go. But it would help us out if you could bring your own tools, small hand tools, and of course, don't forget your water bottle. That being said, the things that we're going to be working on when you first get back here are going to be mostly our green infrastructure and our restoration spaces. While this stuff isn't directly working in our agricultural fields, it is in service of our farming. So if you think of the bigger picture of things, we're really just trying to control the weed seed bank. We're restoring our wetland and making sure we have clean water stored underground. We are updating campus infrastructure, and we are providing habitat for pollinators and other beneficial insects. So ultimately, this work is a holistic, zoomed out way of supporting farming in the valley, and we can't wait to have you on campus to help us out. It also gives us the opportunity to really spread you guys throughout campus and ensure a safe volunteering experience for you. So can't wait to see you, and looking forward to it.